Step into the Kia 2020 Forte LXS. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 147 horsepower, 2-liter inline 4-cylinder DOHC engine, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, air conditioning, audio controls on steering wheel, Bluetooth, center console, full with covered storage and clock and dash. If you are looking for a new car, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.